Welcome to my channel TG TET Part 6 Social Studies. First question: which is a flowering plant mentioned in the chapter? Answer: jasmine. Second question: what is geotagging of plants used for? Answer: to check if plants are protected. Third question: what is one benefit of increasing forest cover? Answer is better groundwater level. Fourth question: what is the twofold plan of the Telangana government to increase greenery? Answer: initiatives in forest areas and outside forest areas. Fifth question: what was the purpose of the Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro? Answer is religious rituals. Sixth question: what was the function of Diwan-e-Khas? Answer is audience hall for private visitors. Seventh question: Mahanavami Dibba was mainly used for? Answer: Dashera court and royal ceremonies. Eighth question: Muslim sultans were called? Answer: shadow of God. Ninth question: the main shrine in temples is called? Answer is Garbhagriha. Tenth question: how many stories does the Qutub Minar have? Answer is 5. 11th question: which map shows the boundaries of countries and states? Answer is political map. 12th question: what is the main reason the freedom fighters did not want India to be ruled by kings and queens? Answer is they wanted a democratic government. 13th question: the library movement was primarily associated with promoting which language? Answer: Telugu. 14th question: which woman's resistance against a Deshmukh trying to take her land became a symbol of struggle? Answer: Chakali Ailamma. 15th question: what did the Sangams establish to resolve villages' problem? Answer is Gram Raj committees. 16th question: the minimum working age for children after the 1891 law was? Answer is 9. 17th question: Indian industrialists demanded a tax on which goods? Answer is British cloth imports. 18th question: Alluri Sita Rama Raju was inspired by revolutionaries of which region? Answer is Bengal. 19th question: the Santhal revolt aimed to? Answer: end British rule and set up a free state. 20th question: which traditional agriculture method did many Adivasis practice? Answer is shifting, Jhum cultivation. 21st question: which country was not a member of the Axis powers? Answer is France. 22nd question: who became the Chancellor of Germany in 1933 and led the Nazi Party? Answer is Adolf Hitler. 23rd question: The Russian Revolution of March 1917 began with a protest led by. Answer is women of St. Petersburg. 24th question. What is the main characteristic of the alternate PDS system in Jahirabad? Answer is it is based on locally produced millets. 25th question. The doctor from Chhattisgarh argues that the terms underweight and stunted should correctly be termed as. Answer is hunger. Thank you for watching.